What is robotics automation? Robotics automation is one of the most powerful technological revolutions shaping the modern world. But what does it really mean? At its core, robotics automation refers to the use of programmable robots combined with software systems to perform tasks automatically, with little or no human intervention. These tasks can range from simple, repetitive actions to highly complex operations that require precision, speed, and consistency. Robotic automation first gained widespread attention in manufacturing, where robotic arms began assembling cars, welding metal parts, and packaging products. Unlike humans, robots do not get tired, distracted, or inconsistent. They can work 24 hours a day, maintain the same level of accuracy, and significantly reduce production errors. This makes them ideal for environments where efficiency and reliability are critical. However, robotics automation is no longer limited to factories. Today, it plays a major role in healthcare, logistics, agriculture, and even everyday life. In hospitals, surgical robots assist doctors in performing extremely precise operations. In warehouses, autonomous robots sort packages, manage inventory, and optimize delivery routes. In agriculture, robotic systems plant seeds, monitor crops, and harvest produce with remarkable accuracy. What makes robotics automation especially powerful is its integration with technologies like artificial intelligence, machine vision, and sensors. AI allows robots to learn from data, adapt to new situations, and make decisions in real time. Machine vision enables robots to see their environment, identify objects, and avoid obstacles. Sensors provide constant feedback, allowing robots to respond instantly to changes around them. Despite its advantages, robotics automation also raises important questions. How will it impact jobs? While some roles may disappear, new opportunities are emerging in robot design, maintenance, programming, and system management. Rather than replacing humans entirely, robotics automation is increasingly seen as a way to enhance human capabilities by taking over dangerous, repetitive, or physically demanding tasks. In the end, robotics automation is not just about machines replacing people. It is about creating smarter systems that work alongside humans to build a faster, safer, and more efficient future. As technology continues to advance, robotics automation will become an even more essential part of how our world operates.